everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Are you planning to grow vegetables in containers or pots? Then today's video is for you. Because today we'll see how to grow eggplants or brinjals right from seeds till harvesting. I'll show you the entire process and by the end of the video we'll harvest them as well. So stay tuned.
So today we will sow brinjal seeds in this 40-liter tub. I have prepared potting soil with garden soil, Cocopeat, compost and neem cake powder. I have a separate detailed video on preparing potting soil for vegetables. Please check it. So before sowing seeds, I will spray some water into it to make it soft. Also, this way seeds won't go deeper into the soil after sowing and watering. These are brinjal seeds. There are a variety of brinjals available like fairy tale, dwarf, green, white and Indian variety. So choose the seeds of the variety you want to grow. You can sow the seeds directly into the soil or prepare seedlings in tray and then go for transplant. Also, don't sow them deeper than ½ inch. Brinjals love full sunlight, so choose a sunniest spot in your garden to grow them. Make sure you keep the soil moist after sowing seeds and they will start germinating within 8 to 10 days. Brinjals grow best in warm conditions. If we talk about when is the ideal time to start growing them, is somewhere between June till November, or if we talk about the temperature, when it is somewhere between 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. And within few days you will see lots many plants will grow, and at this stage either you can do the thinning. Thinning means you can remove the weaker plants and leave few healthy ones in the pot itself, or you can wait for them to grow at least 5 to 6 inch bigger, then you can transplant them to the other pots. In about 6 to 7 weeks your plant will start producing flowers. Flowers comes in white or purple color based on the variety you are growing. Growing brinjals from seeds is super easy. It's highly recommended for beginners in kitchen gardening. You need to keep just 3 things in mind for growing them. First is prepare good potting soil. Second is choose at least 12-inch pot for growing them. And the third thing is they need daily watering. Deweeding and fertilizing is very important, especially when your plant starts producing flowers and fruits. You can add some neem cake powder at this stage. It acts as a natural fertilizer. Also, it acts as a pest repellent and it helps in developing roots also. And in about 2.5 to 3 months, your plants will produce lots of healthy brinjals and they'll be ready to harvest within few weeks itself. They'll look fresh, shiny and plumpy, and that is the time when you can harvest them.
So here comes our first harvest of organic brinjals. Do try growing them from seeds this simple way in tubs and containers and in pots, and share your experiences with me. How about today's video? Do let me know through the comments. See you soon with one more interesting video. Bye-bye.